Life moves faster each day, and we make sacrifices just to keep up. None more so than in the kitchen. This hurried lifestyle means having to eat hastily thrown together meals and on-the-go processed foods. As a result, your health and that of your families takes a back seat. For a growing family, this is unacceptable, and we know it. But who has the extra time, kitchen space, or energy to create healthy family meals day after day, night after night? With standard cookware, very few. But with Instant Pot, there's an affordable solution for everyone, and it all happens with the press of a button. Whether it's hearty chili, spicy curry, perfect rice, refreshing dairy or non-dairy yogurt, cheesecake, in fact, pretty much any recipe you can think of. Whatever your food preference or tastes, Instant Pot can make family meals happen with the simple push of a button. Thanks to the microprocessor-controlled programming, Instant Pot is amazingly simple to use, while also safe, convenient, clean, quiet, and fast. It's a money saver, allowing you to cost-effectively replace 6 to 7 commonly used kitchen appliances. Instant Pot is a time saver. Cooking times are 2 to 6 times faster than conventional cooking methods. Instant Pot has an all-encompassing multi-cooker with up to 7 functions, replacing your slow cooker, rice cooker, food warmer, pressure cooker, steamer, sauté pan, and yes, even the yogurt maker. A single Instant Pot does the job of every one of those appliances, and more. Instant Pot's models, the Smart, the Duo, and the Luxe, are thoughtfully designed and offer affordable solutions for everyone. Instant Pot has industry-leading safety mechanisms that make it extremely safe to use and allow for peace of mind. Just press it and forget it. Features of the Instant Pot include a delay start timer, dual pressure settings, 3 adjustable modes for its lab-tested cooking programs, and an automatic keep warm. Your food will be ready when you're ready to eat. It's perfect every time. The dishwasher-safe stainless steel cooking pot, as opposed to the one with PTFE non-stick coating, only adds to Instant Pot's substantial health credentials. Forget fast foods, microwavable meals, and last-minute nutrition compromises. You'll be making balanced, nourishing, healthy meals for the entire family with ease, night after night. All told, it's no surprise that Instant Pot's customer reviews are generously peppered with words like love, life-changing, and magic, making it a top seller for the last 3 years running. And to accompany such a one-of-a-kind, groundbreaking product, Instant Pot's online community contains hundreds of recipes from professional chefs and health coaches of all culinary disciplines. Instant Pot is every bit the revolutionary product, but it's also so much more. It's a life upgrade for an entire household. You'll never forget the first moment you put Instant Pot in your kitchen. Instant Pot produces delicious and affordable home cooking using smart technology, which means savings on your food budget, more time to spend with your family and friends, and living a happier, healthier lifestyle. Instant Pot, tools for a new lifestyle.
Remember when your family would gather together for that home-cooked Sunday family dinner? But nowadays, who has the time to prepare all that food and then soak and scrape pots and pans for hours? Now, what if you could prepare a wholesome sit-down family-style meal with just a push of a button and do it in a fraction of the time? Introducing the Power Pressure Cooker XL, the amazing push-button kitchen miracle that lets you prepare that succulent, perfectly cooked family roast in 25 minutes. Or a pot full of mouth-watering meatballs in 15 minutes. Or how about a classic homemade lasagna oozing with cheese in 20 minutes? This is power cooking. The secret is Power Pressure Cooker's airtight lid that locks into place, trapping superheated steam inside. The hyper-pressurized environment forces liquid and moisture into your food, locking in intense flavor and nutrients. And thanks to Power Pressure Cooker's onboard intelligent technology, your food cooks fast and to your exact specifications for the best-tasting meals ever. Imagine the tenderest, most savory fall-off-the-bone ribs 10 times faster. And what a capacity! You'll feed a small army. Insanely tender and flavorful chicken wings from frozen to steaming in just 10 minutes. A gourmet seafood feast in 15 minutes. Hearty, homemade, chunky soups in under 10 minutes. Choose from one-touch push-button settings for meats, fish and vegetables, beans, rice, soups, or stews. Do your steamed vegetables look like this? Soft and overcooked? Wouldn't you rather have this? Crisp, al dente vegetables loaded with nutrients done in 2 minutes. A tender, shredded pulled pork cooked to perfection 10 times faster. Or cook dry pasta right out of the box in its own sauce without having to boil water. Table ready in just 5 minutes. perfect rice, white, brown, or wild, in as little as 6 minutes. Tasty one-pot chili ready to serve in 20 minutes. The Power Pressure Cooker XL's incredible 6-quart capacity allows you to cook hearty, fill-up-your-plate meals that will have them coming back for more. And look, touch a button to set that delay timer and eat when you want to. Even use the Power Pressure Cooker XL for canning. Perfect for fruits, vegetables, meats, and more. Meets USDA standards for canning. And cleanup is a breeze. Just drop the removable insert into the dishwasher. The Power Pressure Cooker XL is the one-button, one-pot kitchen miracle that makes delicious homemade meals everyone will enjoy.
In less than 1 minute, I'm gonna do 2 things. Make a delicious, healthy, cooked to perfection meal, and show you why this Yedi pressure cooker is the kitchen appliance you've always dreamt of. Ready? Start. Whether you're a busy professional, aspiring food blogger, overwhelmed parent, or a combination of all 3, you probably find yourself thinking, who has time to cook on a regular basis? I mean, if you're cooking, that also probably means you're spending time stirring, searing, monitoring, possibly forgetting, burning, drying out, and cleaning. I'm no mathematician, but cooking for hours to make something that's devoured in minutes, dirtying 5 dishes to make 1 dish, using 9 different kitchen appliances that each do one thing, those numbers just don't add up. Fortunately, the Yedi Total Package Pressure Cooker is here to change all that. This little baby is a 9-in-1 modern-day miracle. It can pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, warm, pasteurize, make cakes, yogurt, and cook rice, plus features 14 preset menu options, all in one kitchen appliance. And compared to boiling or frying, the Yedi pressure cooker helps to preserve your food's natural flavors and nutrients, resulting in healthier, yummier, more nutritious meals. See? Perfect under pressure. Included is a tempered glass lid, cooking mitts, 2 egg racks, a steaming basket, ladle, rice paddle, measuring cup, an extra silicone sealing ring, inner cooking pot, recipe book, cooking timetables and cheat sheets, and access to tons of online recipes. Yes, all included, delivered right to your door. Order your Yedi Total Package Pressure Cooker today.
Your Ninja Foodi Deluxe is equipped with 9 cooking functions for endless mealtime possibilities. The pressure, steam, slow cook, and yogurt functions are used with the pressure lid. Use the sear, sauté without the lid for browning and flipping ingredients, just like on your stovetop. The air crisp, bake roast, broil, and dehydrate functions are used with the crisping lid. To adjust the temperature or pressure level, press the temp button and turn the knob to select your desired temperature. To adjust the cooking time, press the time button and turn the knob to select your cooking time. Press the start/stop button to begin or end your cooking cycle. Use the pressure function to quickly tenderize and infuse moisture into your foods with pressurized steam. After pressure cooking your food, use the air crisp function to tender crisp your food to perfection. Use the steam function to cook foods you typically steam in a pot on your stovetop. Steam infuses moisture, seals in flavor, and maintains the texture of your foods. Use the slow cook function for low and slow cooking for chili, stews, and pulled pork. Use the yogurt function to easily create delicious yogurt. The air crisp function delivers a crispy, golden texture using little to no oil. The bake roast function allows you to cook meals in the pot as you would with your oven. The broil function used with the Deluxe reversible rack finishes off your meals with caramelization and crispiness. The dehydrate function allows you to gently remove moisture from ingredients to create snacks like chips and jerky. Visit ninjakitchen.com for exciting recipe ideas to get you started. For more information, visit www.ninjakitchen.com.